Hey YouTube, so today I'm going to be telling you tips and tricks about the virus. So the first tip is to disinfect surfaces around your home and work. So basically, if you have Clorox wipes, all you have to do is just wipe everything down. So you don't get the coronavirus. And wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. And sneeze or cough. If you have sneeze or cough, just sneeze on a bent elbow. So, oh yeah, I have a tip. So you can make homemade masks if they ran out in the store. So you can search up homemade masks on YouTube. There's some tutorials out there. And also, you can make homemade hand sanitizer, so you can look that up on YouTube too. And make sure you stay home. If you just stay home, then you'll slow the spread. And yeah, stand 6 feet away from other people. Yeah, so that's it for the video. Those are my tips and tricks. So see you next time. Bye.